pass the time. The message is so true. The end is really near. All these feelings take me down. The stilts, the things so deep. What about our children in theaters and video games? They watch what we send through. It asks people, what sense in this game? Have we all been played? No one but you to blame. Yes, the message is so real. Don't turn on the eyes to stone. Because this is your
Suur aitäh, Tiina ja Anna-Liina. Nüüd aga edasi